Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites and capturing the problem. First, confirm your runtime and shell versions because mismatches cause exit 1. Next, reproduce the error exactly and save stdout and stderr. This gives you concrete clues. Also, inspect recent code or dependency changes so you know what shifted. Once done, compare the failing command between working and broken environments. Make sure to run with verbose or debug flags to increase actionable output. Those logs are your roadmap. Once you have logs, dive into diagnosis by isolating the cause. Rerun with verbose or debug to expose stack traces and exact failing lines. Then, create a minimal reproducible case, stripping external modules and optional steps until the error still appears. This narrows the culprit. Make sure to test file permissions, paths, and environment variables because many exit ones are permission or missing file related. If a dependency fails, pin versions or reinstall to confirm whether an upgrade introduced the error. You implement the fix based on your isolated cause, patch the code, correct a path, adjust permissions, or pin a dependency version. After applying the change, verify in a clean environment and run CI and unit tests to ensure the exit one is gone everywhere. If the failure persists, use binary search or git bisect on commits and collect full logs from both working and failing systems to compare. One key troubleshooting tip: replicating the exact environment often reveals subtle differences that cause exit 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.